It's a little bit difficult for me to do it on camera, but well, actually with one hand, so I'll have to free you guys. Sorry about that, guys. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Let me get out of here. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now it's time to fight fire with fire on the first one. Actually, the first two. Let me set them down. Sorry about that. Hold on one second. There we go. Alright, here we go. Sorry about that. My hands are getting shaky. My hands are getting shaky. Here we go, we got the first. Oh gosh! Bam! Just like that. Let's go again. Let's go again. Here we go again! Another one! Bam! One moment. There we go. We're back, guys. Hold on one second. Okay, here we go, we got double! It's gonna be a double launch! Bang! Oh my god! There we go, another double launch. Hold it still. Make it hold still. Oh man, hail.